The UNHCR has gone and filed an intervention application in the Indian Supreme Court against the Citizenship Amendment Act, and the government of India reacting very strongly to that, saying that no foreign party has any locus standi on issues that pertain to India's sovereignty, that this was a law that was passed by India's parliament, and that India has an independent judiciary, and they have full faith that the government of India's stand will be vindicated in the Supreme Court. What it does reflect once again is the kind of growing international pressure that India is facing on the Citizenship Amendment Act. The UNHCR has been critical of India in the past as well on the Citizenship Act, also on the restrictions and detentions in Jammu and Kashmir. We've seen the European Union also being critical on both those issues, despite being taken to J&K recently, the US State Department as well. And in the context of the violence in Delhi also, we've seen Iran, which has been such a trusted friend of India for so many decades now, also very strongly criticizing India on the Citizenship Act, on specifically on the violence in Delhi, where they talked about organized violence against Indian Muslims. Iran's foreign minister saying that they urge Indian authorities to ensure the well-being of all Indians and not let senseless thuggery prevail. Now, in response to that today, the government of India actually summoned Iran's ambassador and lodged a strong protest, according to sources, on the comments made by Foreign Minister Zarif on the violence that has happened in Delhi recently. So a trusted friend like Iran speaking out the way that it has also come as a surprise. But the UNHCR going to the Supreme Court, that is something pretty unprecedented. We don't recall any example in recent memory where a UN body has sought to intervene in the Indian Supreme Court. And now we'll have to wait and see whether the Supreme Court agrees to entertain their plea.